I didn't film putting this engine, you know, finding out what the problem was. I simply changed the valve and the guide. But this is the old one. I'll put this through the wet bead blaster to see if there's anything wrong with it. But there's the guide. Tested the valves for seating. It's kind of an easy way to do it. It's just cheaty. You turn the head on the side so all the ports are level, and then just fill them full of petrol. And if petrol won't get through a gap, then gas isn't going to get through really. It'll find its way through anything with petrol. Anyway, let's hear it fired up because I've got an awful lot to do today. I am so far behind with jobs, it is unbelievable. You know, these things when they drag on for days and days, well, there we go, what can you do? Right, let's see if it starts. Obviously you've got intake noise because I haven't got the pipes on. You see, it's a lot more responsive. So really we killed two birds with one stone. We got the pump done and that valve. No more squeaking. We've had to, yesterday, well, when we found out what was this squeaking was, like I say, I really wanted to film it, but I was so pissed off with it. You know, sometimes making videos it used to be fun, but you just want to get it done. I was out here at 7 o'clock this morning, and I had this running at 11 o'clock, head off, valves changed, checked all of, you know, the seats and stuff like that, and it's all back together again. Somebody wanted to have a look at the Allard intercooler that's on here, so I'll just take the camera off, and that's the setup. So it is a proper 300 TDI one made by Allard. There's a great big angle iron under there that's bolted onto the front, and it's got some brackets going through there and going through there. Notice there's no A-frame in there. He's put the extended front on. Not sure if he really needed the extended front. I wonder if he's going to put AC on it, but anyway, that's how it's done. So now I'm going to put the radiator, oh no, before I put the radiator on, I'm going to double check the tension of the belt. Just make sure it's alright. The belt's running really nice, look, it's parallel. It's not really running forward at all. It's, you know, there's no dust. I mean, it's been running for long enough. So now we can build all this front up, fill it full of coolant and get the hell out of my shop, because tomorrow I'm supposed to be doing Deborah's changing the wheels over for winter tyres. I promised to do that 2 weeks ago, I never got it done. I've got a car coming in that I'm thinking about buying for a winter banger, principally because it's got a set of tyres on, but it might be an absolute rust bucket. And yeah, the seats, I don't know if I mentioned the seats because I've done this video once before, but Jim and I had to push this Land Rover further forwards because we were doing some seats. You'll see that video later on. So we had somewhere to work at the back, but the seats for this county station were absolute lost cause. There's not much we could salvage, even the frames were knackered. So that's another thing we have to look for, or help somebody out, but I'm not a charity. I'm not going to be working on them things for days on end trying to repair seat frames. Not worth it. Yeah, so let's get this all put back together again and see how it goes.